Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, let's talk about how to add your voice chat or your voice in Roblox. You can talk to your friends, your players, or if you're playing with multiplayers, family members, and relatives, you can talk to them while in Roblox. Now, how can we do this one? The first thing you want to do is right now is check if your system requirement meets the minimum requirement to do this one. So run DX diagram on your computer right there, and you're gonna see the minimum requirement depending on your system. Alright? And I think 16 gig or 8 gig, sorry about that. So 8 gig of RAM and 16 gig of RAM will be the minimum requirement for this one. Now, once you're in Roblox right here, as I am, go to your settings and make sure your account is gonna be on the 18 and above age, not a minor. So click on settings right there, and you can see on the account info, there would be a phone. You should add a phone there if you're gonna be 18 and above. And as you can see right here, I do not have an add a phone option since mine is not gonna be around the legal age. Alright? But other than that, once you're in here, settings, account info, under the email address option, there should be an add a phone option. Alright? Anyway, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.